think the demand for roles in cybersecurity is only going to grow. We can see it's a new profession. We can also see a lack of people trained in the art of cybersecurity because the technology has been moving so fast. But actually some of the cybersecurity systems will evolve and will need people who can help them evolve into being bigger and better over time.
We have a lot of different roles across a huge spectrum of areas. In any news clip that we get, that there's always a threat on cyber, there's always something going on with cyber. So it's very much in a space that we're interested in, very much a space that's growing and developing, and we're in the heart of that growth period, and we're in the heart with those people.
There is a real war for talent in this sector. There's lots of open positions that are available, and there's not enough people to fill them. So one of the biggest attractions to the field is that there's so many different facets to cybersecurity. It's a very diverse industry with lots of interesting opportunities that requires lots of skills from very different areas of industry, not just specific to IT.
Cybersecurity as a market, I've been focused on it for about 10 years and I've seen a lot of change over that 10 years. There's so much variety of jobs and a variety of skills needed in those jobs. I just think the whole industry is really vibrant. There's lots of variety, so once you're in it, there's plenty of opportunity to move around, plenty of opportunity for progression, and of course, it's not going to go away. You know, the threat is ever increasing, it's evolving, and so our response to that needs to ever evolve as well. And so there's constant innovation, which is a really fast-paced and exciting industry to be in.